Yeah, I couldn't pass this one up. Can't believe I didn't see it earlier. I mean, I was just right here. Holy shit. It's dangerous. Oh well. I can guarantee this ain't gonna be the last time. Oh shit, bar and grill. Converse. Chamber of Converse. Yeah, I'd like to renew my star. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh shit. Here we go. Man. Shit is dangerous. Getting hard to see stuff now. Whoa! Wait. 312 or what? 213. River Bank and Trust. Huh. Oh shit. God. I know this camera has got to look like I am all over the place, in which, you know, I am. Alley bar. Oh yeah. Montgomery Advertising. And this is the Wright Brothers Park again. I still got a couple lights left, a couple bars. My truck is just right there too. You can't really see much here. Damn it. Oh man. Slow down there, buddy. Well, what are you doing? Why the hell they go so goddamn slow? Can't even see the little kids park. Oh shit. All right. Back. Can't see much. That's the beginning, or one of the entrances to the Wright Brothers Park. Maybe we'll drive around a couple and see what else we can find outside of this. But for right now, let me put my bike up and we'll see what happens.